We're gonna dive right into this Earlybird Morning Cocktail review. I made a video about Earlybird not too long ago, which you can find here. It's gonna be right above in one of those tiles. What I wanted to do is make a kind of a part 3 about this because I gave a 45-day update and another video right here or here if you're curious about those. The main reason why I wanted to create kind of expand on this is because I have gotten so many messages from people asking me about application in terms of going to the gym and exercising. So I wanted to create a separate video specifically for that. And that's what we're about to do right now. One of the big things that gets a lot of people stuck and a lot of reasons why people aren't figuring out how can I get excited about the gym is because of the energy. My name is Vernon. I've been a happiness coach and in the fitness industry for well over 20 plus years. And one of the big things that I'm such an advocate for is helping people get activated, helping people get started. And when I'm working with my clients, and this just came up as what kind of led to this on top of the messages, and thank you for those messages, by the way, was how can I help myself get in shape? How can I get excited about it? And I tell everybody the same thing, the energy. And not just any energy. You want to have energy that's clean. You want to have energy that isn't too complicated or filled with a bunch of chemicals and things that just don't weigh you down, but you want to have something that's consistent and reliable. And that's why I'm such a big believer of Earlybird Morning Cocktail. And it's something that I incorporate into my fitness day and into my regular day about 5 to 6 days a week. So for anybody who is curious about the instructions, what's really cool about Earlybird is one, if you order, use that link that I have right above from the official website. It's where I ordered it and I ordered this product. I paid for this product. I want to make sure I say that is where I ordered it. And what's really cool is they give you the actual powder, but they also give you this really cool shaker right here. And inside that shaker, it's empty. I've been using this for a few weeks now, several months now, and it just has the citrus smell, but it doesn't smell moldy or nasty or anything like that. But what you do with this container, and give me 1 second, I'm going to show you exactly what you do. When you order Earlybird, this is exactly what you're getting. You're going to get the shaker, which is a really cool bonus, as well as the Earlybird powder. It also comes with a free guide as well, as long as you order from the link right above, which is a great bonus or kind of give us. And let me just show you to kind of give you the key contents. And bear with me, give my camera a few seconds. There we go. And it's Earlybird powder. Perfect. And it's got 45 servings inside of every container, well over a month, to make it even easier for reordering, because you will want to reorder, trust me. And what you do is in the morning, the night before, as you're kind of winding down from the day, you're preparing yourself for the next day. This is a really key component for a lot of us who are fitness advocates or want to become fitness advocates. It's the preparation. This is one thing I love about this. It helps with preparation and getting in that mindset. You put 1 scoop in, and what you do is you put some water in there, you shake it up, and you go to sleep. That's it. That's all you do. In the morning, you wake up, bang, boom, bop, drink it, and you make your way to the gym or what you're going to be doing. Maybe taking a walk to get warmed up or kind of easing into your day. What the sweet spot about this is this isn't this jolt of electricity. You know, you kind of get the shakes or the jitters. One of the things that I was looking for was a coffee alternative where I didn't feel nauseous. That used to happen to me all the time, especially if you're doing early morning cardio and you're not eating. This, I have had no issues with that whatsoever. But the energy is very slow and ascends, and you just start feeling like, wow. The best way I can choose to describe how this Earlybird feels is, you know, when you go to like Chick-fil-A and you order a 4-count chicken tenders. If anybody has had this experience, just hear me out. And you order a chicken tender, about 4-count chicken tender, and it's 5, and you're like, oh my gosh, you feel like, oh my gosh, it's got a secret, you got a bonus. This is that secret. This is that bonus. This is that stuff that's going to make you feel like $1,000,000, because when it hits, you know it. And that's when I go in there and I'm able to focus, which I love about that, because, you know, sometimes when you go into the gym, you might notice that you might not feel as motivated. You might feel as dedicated or disciplined. I love how Earlybird really helps with the mental focus. Not only with energy, but the mental focus is such a key component. And it's something that I cannot speak about it enough. By the way, for anybody who's noticing that throughout the afternoon, and let's just say you're concerned with burning, I have a high stress job and my workouts are really intense. What is really cool about this, and I just tried these as well, I'm gonna be working on a video for these. These are Earlybird happy hour bites, which these are afternoon kind of pick-me-ups, which I'm super excited about as well. You're gonna find that link in the comments above. By the way, a review video is coming about these. I'm just now getting started with these. But back to the video about Earlybird. Earlybird Morning Cocktail is great for anybody who's excited to get back into the gym, who's excited about moving their bodies again, but they want to find a way where they're not starting the day off. We're putting in a lot of junk. I'm very careful with the pre-workouts that I drink and use because I don't trust them anymore. anymore. I'm not quite sure what they put in them. And I can literally look on the back of the label here, and you can find this on their official website right above. And I know what these ingredients are, and I understand how they are functioning in my body, which brings me a lot of peace of mind. I want to make sure that I'm there for my son and without any major or any health complications whatsoever. So you do a great job about that. And lastly, one thing I definitely want to make sure I mention is that they have a money back guarantee, which takes a lot of stress out of there because we work hard for our money. We want to make sure that what we're getting is quality, and Earlybird does a great job with their customer service, and I can't say anything enough about it. So the final verdict is Earlybird Morning Cocktail is something that I'm 100% endorsing, and it's something I swear by, and I made multiple videos about it just because I love this so much. And anything that can help me get that extra edge, that extra advantage in the gym, I'm going to do it, right? Guys, thank y'all so much for watching. If you like videos like this, check out some of my other videos. I'll see you next time. Peace.